Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we will be showing you some interesting craft using different craft items. So here first we are making a car using these straws. So fix the wheels using the water bottle caps and it's ready. Next we will make a tricycle. For that we will take these straws. Now cut them into small pieces and roll them to make the wheels like this. Now fix them into each other and make a tricycle and it's ready. Next we will make a pistol. For that we will take different colors of straws and paste them together like this. Make its handle. Now we will make its back part like this. Make its clutch like this and it's ready. Next we will make a swing. Paste these straws like this into small pieces and make its seat. Now after that we will make its stands on the sides by making a triangle and it's ready. Next we will make a cycle. For that we will take the papers and make its wheel. Now take these straws and fix the wheels in the between like this. Make its body and it's ready. Next we will take a straw and cut it into small pieces like this by giving it a frill. Now fold it, open it and then cut it properly and then fold it using a earbuds. So here we are making a flower. Now fix it and your flower pot is ready. Next we will make the chairs. For that we will take a wooden cardboard sheet like this and then cut it from the sides to make the seat. Now make its back and legs. Fix the legs on the paper like this. Make its back part and it's ready. Next we will make a gymnastic stick. So first we will take these straws and fix it like this. Now take a paper and cut out the shape of a boy. Color it using different color markers. Fix it and it's ready. Next we will make a sunbath chair. For that we will take a straw and fix them like this. Now cut it and fold it from the back. Now make its handle and its leg rest and it's ready. Next we will take the paper and fix these straws on its side like this using the glue gun. Fix it. Now take a straw and fold it like this. Now fold it from the sides as well. Now fix it and your peacock is ready. Next we will make a chair using these straws. For that we will take the straw and fix it into each other like this. Now make its back and stand, fix its legs and your chair is almost ready. Next we will make a bed. For that we will take these straws and paste them together like this. Now take another straws and make its back part. Now we will make its four supports, make a heart in the between and fix it and it's ready. Next we will make a toy. For that we will take two water bottle caps and fix them into each other by putting a thread in the between. Now take a straw and fix it like this. Take its eyes, put the pipe cleaners on the sides and it's ready. Next again we will make a toy like this. For that we will take the straw and fix it like this. Take a straw and then cut it into small pieces. Now fix them like this into each other using the threads. Put them by sewing it like this. Fix it, its legs, its hands. Now we will make its hairs by cutting it from the top. Make its eyes. Now take a wooden cardboard sheet and fix the thread inside it like this and it's ready. Next, take a pipe and a paper cup like this and draw these shapes on it like this. Now fix the straw in the between. Now put the toothpick and then the wheel in it. Here we are making a bicycle. Make its handle and its seat and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be creating some more interesting crafts using these straws. For that, we will take a wooden cardboard sheet like this and cut it. So here we are making a straw. Fix its straw to make its legs. Now we will make its back and it's ready. Next we will make a bubble toy. For that we will take small pieces of these straws and paste them in a line like this. Now roll them. After rolling it, take a water bottle and cut it from the downside. Now fix it in the between. Now take a water and put the soap in it and your bubble game is ready. Thanks for watching.